What's good, traders? How's everyone doing? It's a beautiful Tuesday. Hope everyone is doing good. Hope you guys haven't blown your accounts yet. It's just a Tuesday. Please let us not go crazy, okay? Still have like 3 more days for the trading week. Let's make sure we're set up for success. In the meantime, we're going to be looking at gold today and analyzing what is currently going on, okay? So right now, it doesn't take us, 2 minutes to understand that we are currently in an uptrend on gold. We've been in a massive bull run on gold, and currently we're about to, potentially kick off the second leg of this bull run. All right, so let's get deeper into it to understand what's going on. So from what we can see here, I drew my trend lines, and we can see that we are forming this bull flag pattern on gold. Okay, we can do this. We can change it to this and kind of fine tune it, connect the dots. Okay, and then we see that we are forming support around these areas. These areas are holding as major support levels, and here we've once again held our support. Okay, what we do see also when we flip it over is that we do have this here as kind of a resistance level. We can kind of use this as our resistance area. Let me bring this down a bit. Yeah, we kind of have this channel here holding as resistance, and if we extend this, we see that whenever price gets here, we reject back in within. From here, we reject back in. From here, we reject back in. And here, we reject back in as well. So for us to be confirmed with our buys, we want to see this bullish candle close solidly and then continue with momentum to go higher. What's the probability of that happening? I really do not know. I cannot tell you. What I can tell you is we have to wait and let price dictate what it wants to do. But how can we forecast this move? Simple. We can forecast this move a number of ways. One, we can from this area, we can use our amazing Fibonacci tool to kind of give us a guideline as to what we can do. So from this now, I can take my fib from this area, extend it up here, and then I can kind of map out my areas where I want to be buying gold from. Okay, so from this, these are good areas to buy gold. We can buy gold from down here, this area. As we break out here, once we get a close, we can buy again from here, here, and keep it going. Okay, that's exactly what we can do on gold. Cool. That is my gold play, but at the same time we want to be very careful because, like I said, there is resistance around this area, so we want to observe, see how price reacts to it, and ultimately at this level too as well, we want to see how price reacts to that area. Okay, we want to essentially monitor and watch what happens at those areas. In between here, we want to see what happens. I would say outside 34.29 is a good buying opportunity, but like I said, I don't know what the probability of that happening is. We have to wait and see. But as of right now, gold is still holding up its bullish momentum strongly. Okay, so we just have to wait and see what's going on, and then we can assess further from there. If we go up to the monthly time frame, however, gold looks very, very scary. You may ask, what do I mean by scary? I'm going to show you right now. Let me take all these off. Gold looks scary in the sense that once we are on the monthly time frame, we get to see these massive rejections from up here. So we can see how price reacted once we got above here on the monthly time frame. Mind you, this whole candlestick here is 1 month. So from here, this month of April, we peaked out at these highs. May, we peaked out at these highs. June, July, and now the month of August is coming in. is, do we really have the drivers to take gold to the next leg, 3,500, to solidify that? We have to wait and see. But like I said, 1, 2, 3, 4 months of rejecting that 3,400 price level on gold. Let's see if the month of August is where we finally solidify that close to continue going higher on gold. Okay, it's a waiting game. We have to wait and see. But looking at it on the 2-weekly time frame, we can definitely visualize that channel, and we can see the support areas I was referencing, and now we're getting that bullish push to possibly break above resistance and continue trending higher on gold. So that is exactly what we want to, identify, monitor, and watch happen on gold to understand how we are going to base our subsequent trades on gold. Okay, that exactly in a nutshell is my technical analysis for gold as of right now, the 26th of August. Okay, thank you so much. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. If you see something I'm not seeing, if you have a different approach to gold, if you're planning on selling gold, let me know what levels you want to be selling from. But like I said, these are the levels I would like to be buying gold from. Okay, if you get a pullback to 38, 33, 82, let's buy some gold from there. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Take care and bye for now.